Hey guys, what is going on? So today I have a smartphone I'm pretty excited for, the HomTom P30 Pro. So as you can see, it has a punch hole display right over here. It has it in the middle, like the Note 10, Note 10 Plus, and the upcoming S20. And the specs we have for about $100 aren't that bad either. Flesh glass back cover, whatever that means. 4,000 mAh batteries, 3 cameras. We'll see if that's real. Android 9 Pie, which is pretty old, but hopefully it'll get an update. If not, Android 9 is still pretty good. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gig storage, and we have a fingerprint sensor. Now, it doesn't say, but it is using the Helio P23 processor, which is a pretty good processor for $100. Okay, so we get the phone on top, and the presentation we get for this little amount of money is amazing. Alright, so I don't know if this is actually glass. Maybe it's a glass hybrid, like on the A70. But it does feel pretty good. Okay, so no pre-installed screen protector, which is fine by me, but many people will probably like it. The sides feel also like plastic, but not the cheap kind of plastic. Okay, we get a case. And, oh, we have a glass screen protector too. Here we have our USB-C charging cable. Oh, we have a dongle. So apparently this doesn't have a headphone jack. And a power brick. Alright, nothing left but to power it on. Oh, wait, I guess it did come with a screen protector, but the guy didn't finish installing it, so... Yeah, that was a screen protector, but can't use that anymore. Okay, so first impressions is the display looks pretty nice. I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Okay, so I set it up for the most part. Right now it's restoring all of my apps. I've set up my fingerprint, 3, 2, 1. So it is pretty slow. Okay, now it's not recognizing it all. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's not the most reliable, but it's not that slow either. I think it's just a matter of getting used to the sensor and its placement, because it's pretty flush with the body. So as soon as you get used to it, then I don't think it'll be that much of a problem. Now the case it comes with isn't the best. It is a pretty tight fit, and when you finally get it on, it's not even aligned properly. So as you can see, it is pretty crooked. So I'm gonna just remove that case because it's pretty bad. I think a few third-party manufacturers make cases for this. So you just look on AliExpress, HomTom P30 case. Oh, for the most part, it's not that bad. It also has face unlock, but it's just like all the other phones that do so. And with animation speed set to 0.5. Not as fast as I want it to be, but pretty fast, I guess. And if you swipe to the left, we do have this page, which is Google News. Alright, we're going to test knife fit. Okay, that's not bad at all. Alright, so light games. As expected, it runs pretty well. Let's try one more light game. This is called Flip the Gun, something like that. Alright. Okay, so there's no touch delay, there's no lag, nothing like that, so that's good. So this phone is good for light gaming. Alright, I have PUBG installed, so you might as well try that. Okay, so it auto adjusts to medium, which isn't bad. We're gonna see if we need to lower the settings or not. Okay. It is pretty laggy. I mean, yeah, it was. But what if we make the settings low? Okay, so in low settings it does run pretty good. Alright, so for gaming this is okay. For light games it's a beast. Heavier games, it's gonna struggle a bit. But that's to be expected. The speaker is pretty decent, I gotta admit. It's not the worst I heard. I mean, it does get pretty loud and the quality is pretty good. But to those who are used to flagship or mid-range phones, then you're gonna notice that the speaker isn't the best quality. You know, for casual use, like just watching random YouTube videos, it's gonna be just fine. Alright, and this is the same layout we've seen on a bunch of other phones. So we're gonna take our first selfie. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, this is rear facing video on the HomTom P30. It was set to 720p, but it can go all the way up to full HD. So as you can see, it's raining right now. It's been raining for almost 2 months now, non-stop. Alright, we have some focusing issues going on. Alright, so I think I mean, the quality looks pretty good, I guess, apart from the fact that it keeps focusing or losing focus. Yeah, see, just like that. But you can just, I think you can do manual focus. So if you can do manual focus, then I guess the video is pretty decent. Okay, this is front-facing video on the HomTom P30, which is also full HD, which I had to manually set up. And as we've been seeing a lot, the front-facing video actually looks better than the rear-facing video, because on the front-facing camera, no focusing issues at all. The exposure is decent. So I would say for vlogging, I guess this phone is fine. I haven't heard the audio yet, but I can already tell it's gonna be very bad. I tried looking for a way to disable the autofocus, but I couldn't. So rear facing video, I guess it's not gonna be that usable if the focus doesn't get fixed, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so I was gonna test a SIM, but I can't get the SIM card slot open. It doesn't come with a SIM ejector tool, and the one that's needed is really long. So this is a regular one. Literally nothing. So I can't test the SIM, I can't get it open, I don't know what to do. Maybe mine specifically didn't come with one, I don't know. So let's just get to the verdict. Should you get this phone? Now, if you're looking for a budget phone that runs pretty well and you don't care too much about updates, and then I'd say this is a pretty good buy. Now, I can't guarantee longevity, which basically means I can't guarantee that it's going to last you years and years and years. But for the most part, you should be fine. I mean, this is a cheap phone after all, so even if it does stop working after a year or after 2 years, then I wouldn't really consider that a big loss considering the price. Now, this phone does have 3 cameras, but I can't find anything about a wide angle, so I don't think it has one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. More reviews coming in the future, so if you want to see those reviews, then please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.